I thought my strategy was profitable until I backtested it. For months, I was convinced I had cracked the market. Same setup, same rules, but still losing. And the scary part, I didn't know if it was the market or me. So I stopped trading live and went candle by candle. Took it very simple. No indicators, no emotions, just data. And what I found out changed how I trade completely. Stay with me. Another day, another dollar, and we're back for some bread. So let's get straight into it. Alright, gents, today we're going to be back testing my birthday month. Comment down below what month you think that is, man. Comment down below what month you think that is. Anyway, the month is October. Alright, so October is my birthday month, and we're going to be back testing the month of October to find out how profitable is Michael if he follows his strategy to the book. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so this is how we actually start with this market. Alright, so obviously I have to go on the 4-hour time frame to actually find out if I have points of interest here on this market, and if not, we are not trading. Simple as that, you see. So currently there is no point of interest that's catching my eye, so obviously I just have to wait. So right now I have this one. Okay, perfect. However, I don't like that it didn't actually break here, but let's see if it breaks before actually retest. But so far it is somewhat of a valid order block that I would like to see where it takes us. All right, so let me just enlarge this a little bit. All right, so let me see if I get a retracement into that. Wow, like I had mentioned that I didn't like that it had not broken above there first. So okay, that's fine. Currently we have this OP on the 4-hour time frame. I remember this market and I remember it clearly. All right, so the order block ends right there. So what I'm going to do is scale down on lower time frames. Exactly, if we get a bullish engulfing right there, that could be very nice. We didn't actually get it, but let's see. On lower time frames, what do we have? On lower time frames, so clearly the market mitigated that for our point of interest. We have sell side liquidity followed by a change of character right at this level. All right, so that's good. We've spotted something out, and now we want the order block responsible for this change of character, which it's these ones. However, these are not the extreme though, so scaling down it will have to be, all right, it's not the extreme zone though. That's what I don't like about it. So maybe if I scale it down like this could be more valid in my opinion. So let's see if we get a retracement right there. Let me see on the 15-minute what we have. Yeah, as well, I would respect this one on the 15-minute time frame. It looks much better. So let's see if I get something right here. We'll scale down again to the 5-minute time frame for further confluence. Okay, so we just bought, no retracement just yet. So we're finally getting a retracement right there. So let's just see how it looks. The market has not mitigated this one though, the one that we want, and it looks to be rejecting. Okay, so it looks as though we've missed the trade. The one that the market looks like it respected in this case is this order block right there, and I do suppose that's the one that actually broke structure. All right, so that we'll leave it at that. Let's go back on higher time frames and see if we can get anything. So far we have this as well as a breaker block, so my entry has to be below the breaker block. So let's see how that looks. Hold on. Yeah, let's see how that looks. Okay, so we evidently missed that trade, the first trade, and then now we'll trying to figure out if we can get another one. Yeah. So on the 1 hour time frame, we as well have an order block with a fair value gap. So let's see if we get a retracement to that. And no, we didn't get a retracement. So far it has moved a whole move without us, man. So reevaluate. Okay, so we have this order block as well. Let's see if we get a retracement on that. We did get a break of structure. So far no retracement. Okay, we have this one as well. Let's scale down on the. Okay, that's nice. This is what we have. Okay, so far I want to see a break above this high. That is what I want to see. Okay, so we did get the break above there, and we have this order block right here. That is what I might rather prefer to respect. Oh, come on, not again, bro. Looks like it respected. It didn't even mitigate that order block. So what's going on? Okay, so again left without us. So interesting, man. Again it left without us. Now in a live market, would I have been left out? Interesting. But anyway, we can see that the market is living without us a multiple number of times. So this order block also just got mitigated. Let's see if we get anything. No, I don't want to force entries though. That's something I don't want to do. But I'll try entering right there. But then, if I enter, like, I don't know. Let's go down on lower time frame. I know what, I'll just let the market play out. It's fine. Even if it goes my direction, which is up, it's fine, man. I don't like this section, this price action. It actually went up. And it actually went up. Where's my OB? The market did retrace back into it. Okay. So we can see that the market is going up, but we are not finding entries. Or the market is not retracing enough for me to enter. It's not that it's the market's fault, but just where I'm placing my entries really. So let's see right here on the. Let's see what we can get on this one. Okay, so now this is what I'm going to place as my entry. The market mitigated that 4-hour point of interest, mitigated this fair value gap with this order block on 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is the market we have. Look at this. There we go. So I'll just wait for a retracement back into this. Please give me a retracement at least. There we go. I'm going to be entering this market. Okay, bye. Yo. Such a big trade. This is so uncomfortable. No way. Okay, let's place a 1:3. Ah, man. And it obviously got violated. What nonsense. Okay, so that buy, the buy we had placed was just manipulated, but the market still continued to go to the upside. So we are still looking for more interest now. What a complicated month, wasn't it? I don't know, man, but I know for sure these trades I was catching them. Backtesting is good, but I don't know. And some months, it's like you don't experience the full truth. Same as demo trading. On demo trading, you could be making money, and you could be making the same amount of money on live trading, but it's because your emotions are involved. So I guess that's human nature, man. It is what it is. Okay, I'm going to be entering right here. Retracement back into that I'm entering. It retraced but left quickly without me. And these are big stops, like, yo, please, bro. These stops are so big. Retraced and still left without me, so that's tough. Okay, let's see what a 1:3 will do here. Come on, man. Okay, there we go. 1:3 take profit hit. After such complications, like, why? Nonsense, man. Just nonsense. Okay, I'm expecting the market to short. Wow. And leaves no retracement either. Shit. Just on this fair value gap. Wow. Yeah, there. That's the short I was talking about. Okay, evidently we are respecting this OP. I don't know, it's not my favorite, but let's see what it has for me. Okay, and I would like to see a change of character somewhere there. Exactly. Yeah, so let's get a break above here first. Okay, we got the break above. Let's see if I get a retracement back into this area. No, we didn't get the retracement. Okay, that's the retracement. So we are currently in profit, 1:1, one loss, one buy. And these again. These trades are so huge. I think I'm going to remove this trade. It might actually come a little bit lower. I know this market. It might manipulate me and still go up. Or maybe not. Okay. Let's again place another 1:3. One is the 3, right? Okay, perfect. We got 2 retracements and a final take profit. It did consolidate quite much while in our entry zone. However, it is good though. I don't like these entries, a little bit too big for my comfort, right? That's why they have a bit of like a huge mitigation into the zone, of which I don't like. But yeah, it still played out though, but yeah, man, still not comfortable enough. And usually my trade will be running all the way until there, but as you can see, this time I've been playing it safe. I've been trying just to catch 1:3s, because normally my trade will be 1:6. It's just like that. But let's see if it continues to hit 1:6. Or let me see if I can get another entry to finish it off. Okay, perfect. I could still get another entry. Hold on. Okay, so as you can see, my 1:6 take profit. Okay, retracement, and it got violated. Would I have entered here? No, I wouldn't have entered. Okay, perfect, gents. We are seeing some progress so far. So here's a trade I'm going to be trying out. So for our point of mitigation, we have a fair value gap right there. Let me see if I can get another mitigation back into that zone. Okay, perfect. I'm going to be entering short. And these stop losses are actually huge, you know. Shit. I don't like them. So let's see. No, we have to keep it constant. I'm placing buys again. So let's see. I just want to see, because on the 4-hour time frame we have this OP right here that seems to be getting respected. So take profit at the low, my normal 1:6. Let's see how that 1:6 would play out if I decide to take this trade. And as well, it's a 1:3 in this case. Okay, we got validated. I guess I should have waited for this one. Evidently, I should have waited for that. I'll try to enter shorts again. Okay, we got validated once more. That's alright. It wasn't a good auto block in the first place. Ah, look, we just got manipulated. The market was supposed to short. We got manipulated. And why? Why do we get manipulated? Okay, let's mark this zone out. I guess maybe we didn't scale down on lower time frames, but you know what, it's fine. Okay. Okay, so we obviously would have gotten an entry here, but yeah, we didn't scale down. Okay, we have this mitigation. Let's leave on lower time frames. Okay. Okay, honestly, I feel like these months their win rate can be improved by a great amount for sure. And the amount of trades taken, I feel like again there can be more or less trades taken and we still find profitability, because for example, for the first 2 trades right now when we're backtesting, 2 of those trades the market left without us. All right, so in this case we were left out and there's basically nothing we could have done about it. But yeah, it happens, I guess. And so see you guys in November backtesting. If you haven't already, comment, like, and subscribe so that you come back tomorrow when I drop another video, man.